guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of a studio vlog going through my whole process of creating and designing a sticker to actually making it a product on my shop. Let's go. Before I begin drawing, I always want to come up with some sort of concept for my design. So I look at my list of ideas and pull from there, as well as my own shop. I look to see what's selling and doing well and what's not. From there, I get an idea of what I want to create as my design. Once that's all done, we're on to phase 2, which is creating the design. I open up Procreate, create a new canvas, and get started on my sketch. For this drawing, I'll be doing a circular sticker design, and the theme is going to be based around climate change. When picking my theme, I always want to pick something that I strongly believe in. And for this sticker, it's around climate change and global warming. Now, instead of boring you with all of this B-roll, I'm just going to give you a little fast-paced sketch of what I did. And there you go, that's how I created a design. Now obviously it's a little bit more complicated than that, but you get the gist of it. Now we can move on to phase 3, which is publishing it on my shop. Since Redbubble makes it very convenient for artists to publish their work online, this step doesn't take very long. I always make sure I title my design correctly, and most importantly, add tags, as tags are what boost my design in the Redbubble world. It's incredibly important you don't skip over this step, as potential customers won't be able to find your designs if you don't tag them. With all that out of the way, I simply go through the list of products and check off which ones I want my design to be on. I mainly just stick with stickers as they're my best sellers, but it's up to you. And finally, I'm able to publish my sticker on my shop. So there you go. You can even go check out my sticker on my shop called Sadie's Scribbles if you want. It's on Redbubble, and I'll link it down below. So if you like this video, thanks so much, and you can comment down below for more videos. You can even check out some of my Procreate tutorial ones. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with more. Bye, guys.